Okay, so here it is set up. I just want to do a little small quick video here just to show you that mount. You can see there we've got the ice accessory mount bar right there, and then we've got this little mount which is purchased from Amazon for £17. Now it's pretty good. I'll try and get some fairly close-ups here, and you can see that it's all aluminium construction, bolts onto the accessory mount there, straight onto the video camera. There's also a tripod mount which you can mount above that so that you can tilt it, but I think what I'm going to do here is just try and use it in this mode at the moment because I'm hoping it might be more stable. And you can see here, this is your swivel, and it swivels in increments. So it just goes round one at a time and then kind of locks into that position. So it's quite a useful little function, that one. And let's go around the back here. So if we go around here, and then we can see it from the back. But good little mount, that one. I think it's £17 compared to the GoPro mount, which is, well, £20 in certain places, up to £49 I've seen it with just a plastic mount. I'd say this one for me is a lot more preferable. And yeah, good little mount, that one. So I'd say it's at the moment recommended. The only thing is there's a slight wiggle there. You see a slight wiggle. That's going to produce some kind of vibration and camera movement. So what I want to see today when I take this out is the image stabilization going to cope with this? So will the video be smooth enough to use it, even though we have got a little bit of movement in the camera mount there? So we'll see. Could end up being something which we'll have to go with a chest mount, but hopefully this might just solve it. And I guess at least it'll be good for stills. It'll work as a tripod, so when I'm stood still I can mount it on this. But yeah, generally quite pleased with that. So.